While the headlines scream about inflation, interest rates, or the latest tech giant, truly transformative wealth is often built by identifying the companies poised for massive, yet underappreciated growth. Today, I'm breaking down 5 such opportunities, companies that analysts are projecting to have substantial upside potential. These aren't just hot picks. These are deep dives into the strategic moves, competitive advantages, and market positions that could make these your next game-changing investments. Let's get started. First on our list, with an average upside potential of over 31%, is Chipotle Mexican Grill Inc., ticker CMG. Chipotle remains an iconic fast casual brand, owning and operating its popular Mexican grill restaurants. However, recent macroeconomic headwinds have created a unique buying opportunity for this fundamentally strong company. Chipotle's Q3 2025 total revenue increased by 7.5% year-over-year to $3.0 billion, primarily driven by new restaurant openings, though comparable restaurant sales saw a modest 0.3% increase, falling short of consensus. A major concern was the revised full-year 2025 guidance, anticipating comparable sales to decline in the low single-digit range, its third reduction this year. Management attributes these softer traffic trends and a cautious outlook to persistent macroeconomic pressures, particularly a significant pullback in frequency from lower to middle-income diners, who represent a substantial 40% of their sales. Profitability also faced headwinds, with restaurant-level operating margin declining by 100 basis points to 24.5%, impacted by increased labor costs, higher beef and chicken prices, and new tariffs. Despite these challenges, Chipotle remains committed to an aggressive expansion strategy, planning to open between 315 and 345 new company-operated restaurants in 2025, with over 80% featuring its highly successful Chipotle drive-thru concept, alongside further international growth in 2026. The company also demonstrated a strong commitment to shareholder returns, repurchasing $687 million of its stock during Q3, bringing the year-to-date total to $1.67 billion. Analysts, while adjusting price targets downwards due to current pressures, generally maintain a moderate buy consensus rating, seeing potential upside from current levels. Chipotle's balance sheet remains exceptionally strong with $1.8 billion in cash and investments and zero debt. This could be a classic buy-the-dip opportunity for a high-quality brand facing temporary headwinds. Our fourth buzzing stock, Energy Transfer, ticker ET, offers a compelling combination of stable infrastructure assets and a generous growing dividend, with an average upside potential of over 31%. Energy Transfer is a titan in the North American energy landscape, providing essential energy-related services across the United States through its extensive network of natural gas transportation pipelines and storage facilities. A major announcement on October 9th detailed an agreement with 4 Point Resources to significantly expand the Price River Terminal in Wellington, Utah. This project will double the terminal's export capacity for American premium Uinta crude, enhancing its deliverability to refineries nationwide by the fourth quarter, 2026. Energy Transfer continues to prioritize shareholder returns, recently announcing an increased quarterly cash distribution of $0.3325 per common unit for Q3 2025, marking over a 3% increase year-over-year. This translates to an attractive annualized distribution of $1.33 per unit and a current dividend yield of approximately 7.8%, a testament to its stable financial performance and operational efficiency, having grown distributions for 3 successive years. The company's Q2 2025 results were strong, with adjusted EBITDA of $3.87 billion and a healthy distributable cash flow coverage of 1.7 times, indicating ample capacity to sustain its distributions and fund growth. Future growth drivers are substantial. The $5.3 billion Desert Southwest Pipeline expansion, part of the Trans-Western Pipeline System, is set to deliver 1.5 billion cubic feet per day of natural gas by Q4 2029, underpinned by long-term commitments from investment-grade customers, ensuring predictable cash flows. With a strong leverage ratio at the low end of its target range and proactive steps like redeeming high-yield preferred units, Energy Transfer presents a robust financial profile. While some analysts maintain a hold rating, many view the stock as an outperform due to its attractive valuation, high dividend yield, and consistent operational expansion. making it a compelling consideration for income-focused investors looking for stability with growth in the energy sector. Coming in at number 3, with an average upside potential of over 33%, is Kenvue Incorporated, ticker KVUE. Kenvue operates as a global consumer health powerhouse across 3 segments: self-care, skin health and beauty, and essential health. While the company boasts a portfolio of household names, it's currently navigating a challenging period marked by leadership transitions, an ongoing strategic review, and legal scrutiny, particularly concerning Tylenol-related allegations. This has led to a significant stock decline of approximately 33% from its mid-2025 levels, hitting recent all-time lows. Kenvue's second quarter 2025 earnings saw diluted EPS beat consensus, but revenue declined 4.0% year-over-year to $3.84 billion, missing estimates. Organic sales were down 4.2%, prompting the company to lower its full-year 2025 guidance to low single-digit organic sales declines and an EPS range of $1 to $1.05. Management attributed these revisions to retail destocking, shifts in China shipments, and strategic price cuts. Profitability also felt the squeeze, with gross margin contracting to 60.9% and operating margin falling to 22.7%, impacted by cost inflation and necessary investments. Despite the headwinds, the company's commitment to shareholder returns is evident in its quarterly dividend of $0.2075 per share, although its high payout ratio of 112.16% raises sustainability questions. Analyst sentiment is currently mixed, with a consensus hold rating based on 15 recent research reports. However, the average price target of around $20.17 still suggests considerable upside from current prices, indicating that Wall Street sees potential for a turnaround. Next up is Iamgold Corporation, ticker IAG, a dynamic gold producer and developer operating in Canada and Burkina Faso, carrying an impressive average upside potential of nearly 41%. In a strategic move on October 20th, Iamgold demonstrated its commitment to expanding its resource base and operational footprint by signing a definitive agreement to acquire all outstanding common shares of Mines d'Or Orbec Inc. This critical transaction is designed to consolidate Iamgold's land position in Quebec's highly prospective Chibougamau region. By adding the Moose project, which is strategically adjacent to its existing Nelligan and Monster Lake assets, Iamgold significantly enhances its mineral rights. The Moose project contributes an additional 24,979 hectares, expanding Iamgold's total property in this immediate area to a substantial 38,403 hectares. This consolidated land package is strategically located at the intersection of 2 significant geological structures: the Fan Camp Deformation Zone, which hosts the Monster Lake deposit, and the Gersheville Deformation Zone, home to the Nelligan deposit. The combined Nelligan and Monster Lake projects already boast estimated measured and indicated mineral resources of 3.2 million ounces of gold, alongside an additional inferred mineral resources of 5.6 million ounces of gold. These substantial resource figures underscore the immense untapped potential within their existing and newly acquired land. Looking ahead, Iamgold has clear intentions to significantly expand its exploration program in this region. The focus will be on further extending the known mineralization at both Nelligan and Monster Lake, building upon this strong foundation. Its robust resource base in geopolitically stable regions like Canada, coupled with its proven development capabilities, makes Iamgold a key player poised to capitalize on favorable gold market dynamics, offering substantial upside potential for investors seeking exposure to the precious metals sector. Rounding out our list, with average upside potential of over 244% according to analysts, is Sharplink Gaming Inc., ticker SBET. Now, if you're thinking sports betting, you'd be missing the revolutionary pivot that makes this company so compelling. Sharplink has undergone a dramatic strategic transformation, evolving from a traditional online performance marketing company in the sports betting and casino space to become a leading Ethereum treasury company, effectively mirroring the successful MicroStrategy model in the Bitcoin realm. As of October 2025, their total ETH holdings approached an astounding 860,000, contributing to combined ETH and cash holdings of approximately $3.5 billion. The credibility behind this audacious move is further bolstered by the involvement of Ethereum co-founder Joseph Lubin, who serves as Sharplink's chairman. Sharplink plans to deploy $200 million in ETH onto Linea, a cutting-edge zk EVM Layer 2 network, over a multi-year commitment. This initiative aims to generate institutional-grade staking and restaking yields through partnerships with industry leaders like Ether.fi and Iamgold, offering exposure to emerging AI workloads secured by Ethereum. Analyst sentiment is overwhelmingly positive, with multiple firms initiating coverage with outperform or buy ratings and price targets ranging from $24 to a staggering $50. While Sharplink is currently reporting trailing 12-month losses of $106 million, analysts project a significant turnaround, forecasting profitability in 2025 with $69 million in positive profits and a 98% year-on-year growth rate to reach break-even. Furthermore, the company boasts a debt-free balance sheet, which significantly mitigates risk in this high-growth sector. Demonstrating robust confidence, Sharplink announced a $100 million stock repurchase program and has already bought back nearly 2 million shares. They also secured a $76.5 million capital raise at a 12% premium to market price, further fueling their ETH acquisition strategy. When we compare these companies side by side, some clear patterns and opportunities emerge. Starting with market capitalization, we see Sharplink Gaming, at a lean $2.7 billion, is clearly the high-growth, smaller-cap play, offering the most leverage to its strategic pivot. Iamgold Corporation, at $6.67 billion, is a mid-cap gold producer with significant resource potential. Kenvue and Chipotle are substantial players at $27.15 billion and $42.17 billion respectively, while Energy Transfer leads the pack as a large-cap powerhouse at $57.7 billion. Revenue figures tell a similar story of scale. Energy Transfer is pulling in $80.6 billion annually. Kenvue and Chipotle also report strong top lines at $15.1 billion and $11.6 billion respectively. In contrast, Iamgold's $2.0 billion shows its more focused, commodity-driven business, while Sharplink Gaming's $3.144 million is minuscule, underscoring its early-stage transformation into an Ethereum treasury. Gross margins highlight operational efficiency. Kenvue boasts an impressive 58.2%, indicative of its strong brand power in consumer health. Chipotle also maintains a healthy 40.2% margin despite recent pressures. Iamgold is at 32.2%, consistent for a gold miner, while Sharplink's 21.6% is modest for its prior business. But its future profitability hinges on its ETH yield generation strategy. Energy Transfer's 19.9% is typical for a capital-intensive midstream operator. Dividend yields offer a stark contrast. Energy Transfer truly stands out with a generous 7.78% yield, making it an undeniable choice for income-focused investors. Kenvue also offers a strong 5.75%, though we discussed its sustainability. Iamgold surprises with a 5.78% yield, attractive for a gold play. Chipotle and Sharplink, focused on growth and strategic pivots, currently do not pay dividends, which is expected. Finally, earnings per share, or EPS, reveals profitability. Iamgold leads at $1.38, followed by Energy Transfer at $1.30 and Chipotle at $1.13. Kenvue's EPS of 74 cents reflects its recent challenges. Sharplink Gaming, however, is deeply in the red at negative $11.72 per share, highlighting its current cash-burning phase as it invests heavily in its new strategy. This negative EPS is a key indicator of its speculative nature, but also points to the massive potential if it achieves profitability as projected by analysts. So these are 5 stocks, each offering a distinct pathway to potentially significant upside. Which of these 5 buzzing stocks do you think has the strongest potential for explosive growth, and why? Drop your thoughts, insights, and any other hidden gems you're watching in the comments section below. And make sure to check out our video right here on 7 most profitable dividend stocks to buy right now.